Hello and welcome. It's Jelly Cube and I'm here with another acrylic pour today, doing something that I wanted to do that was really bright and uplifting. In Australia we are in our summer, entered our summer, and I wanted to do some really bright uplifting colours. I've seen a few artists do it's like a rainbow Dutch pour type thing. I think I saw Rinska. I think I saw Olga Solby do this. This is the first one I saw. I don't get to watch many other artists because I'm too busy doing this and keeping track of my channel and questions. But anyway, I did see Olga's, I think it was on a Facebook. That colour that I'm putting down as my base coat is rainbow white with a tad of phthalo blue to make it like the sort of duck egg blue, baby blue. A Gilly pour, so I am going to try and do something similar, of course with my own twist in it. So let's see how I go. So first I'll start off with this, it's called Crimson Red. So I'm going to put my droplets in all my different, I think there's a warm red, basically a warm red and a cool red, and then I'm going to drop my different rainbow colours on it, and watch out for the next exciting bits and dabs. And then I have used the phthalo blue, I've used turquoise, I've used a bright yellow, and that I put through this, sort of wiggled through the centre, was the my champagne gold, which is 50% metallic gold with 50% silver. Try it if you haven't, it makes a lovely champagne gold. So it's kind of, just doing my thing. So now for my little Diddy dryer, which is just a little travel dryer that bends at the, it just bends there so to fold it up for travel, I guess. But it's the U-Butte little dryer that I found in a charity shop. I get asked all the time. I have got quite a few dryers, but I love this little one, I must admit. So yeah, look at those colours. They're not going muddy at all, which I did think, oh, there's a good chance that these colours might go a bit muddy, but they didn't, and I was super duper excited with these results. I think that I would really love to do quite a big one, use my bigger dryer and have bigger gaps in between the colours. But anyway, you'll see what I further do to embellish this particular pour. So I am just dabbling these little colours in the corner because I want to just add to the composition, just to something different, and just because I can. So the first one, it's sort of, yeah, I'm not happy with that. Look, it just turned out like a colourful blob. So I am going to wait for it. I'm going to scrape it, no likey, so I'll just start again. See, it's just a little bit of paint. So remember, don't stress over it, it is only paint, and it is mostly pouring medium, which is, if you follow my pouring medium, is very cheap and economical. All in the drop down box underneath in the description on the video. So I'll go in for another try and see how I can get a better result. And I feel that by adding some of the Amsterdam black with Floetrol as just a little cell activator on top, as you see, it will cause a nice sort of flower effect on it, like a bloom. So that's what I'm going to try on this, and hopefully it turns out something special. Okie doke, it's had the little black magic on it, and now I'm going to blow it out for some gorgeous effects. Oh yes, absolutely liking it so much better. There's a little bit more structure to it that I really do like. I love the colours of those two sort of floating bloomy things. I love them, and I'm very happy with that. So I'm just going to do some embellishment in it with just the skewer to soften up areas, and it also makes it kind of look like 3D, like they're floating on the background. Yes, I'm happy, very happy with this. I'm really pumped now to sort of try it on a big canvas right across, a nice big canvas. That's what I really fancy doing, because I just doing it in these bright colours, I just love bright colours. I do love your autumny caramelly. I do like them, but there's nothing that gives me so much joy as these bright colours. So I hope you're enjoying this little piece too. And it kind of does look like it's all just floating there on that nice baby blue background. Very happy with it now. I absolutely love the rainbow chaos blow, I suppose, or rainbow Dutch pour. It's gorgeous, and adding those other little floaty elements there, I thought would just break up that sort of centre composition, having these nice little floaty bits there. What do you think? Is it a yay or a nay? I think it looks really colourful, really bright, and there is lots of people that would love this for the just the cheerfulness of it. So I really hope you guys like it too. Look at some of the gorgeous effects in there. The lacing that's not too over the top. It's just beautiful, and some of it hasn't got any lacing, but it's got lots of movement. Now the colour I put on as my base was the white with a tad of blue in the white to send it this kind of baby blue, powder blue kind of colour, and it's gorgeous. I really like it. Look at that effect in there. This one down here, where are we? Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. I love it, and really when you're doing a piece of art, you know, it's you that's got to love it. And that's it. Enjoy. Take care of yourselves, sweet people, and until tomorrow, bye for now.